Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all fine and enjoying a good health. Today we are going to talk about what is life insurance. Yes. We are talking about this life insurance thing, and in this regard, we have to discuss about how does life insurance work and what is basically life insurance, what type of life insurance are there, whose life are you covering, do you need life insurance, how much is life insurance, how do I buy life insurance, five things to think about when buying life insurance. So let's start with what is life insurance. Life insurance is designed to reassure you that your dependents, such as your children or a partner, will be financially looked after in the event of your death. So, the life insurance is basically being paid by the company you insured with, and it is being paid after your death to your dependents, such as it will be paid to your children or your, spouse or siblings or spouse, siblings, and children. So basically, it is being paid after death to your relatives. There are several things to think about when buying it. You as you are paying such a big insurance that is life insurance, so you need to think about certain things before buying it, such as the type of policy you want, when you need it, and how to buy it. So let's start with how does life insurance work. Life insurance pays out either a lump sum or regular payments on your death, giving your dependents financial support after you have gone. The amount of money paid out when depends on the level of cover you buy. You decide how it's paid out and whether it is cover specific payments such as mortgage or rent, or if it's to leave your family with an inheritance. Now we'll talk about what types of life insurance are there. There are two main types: term life insurance policies. These run for a fixed period of time, known as the term of your policy, such as 5, 10, or 25 years. They only pay out if you die during the policy. There are three kinds of term life policies. Level pays as a lump sum if you die within the agreed term within the time period agreed on the policy, it will pay you lump sum. The level of cover stays the same throughout. This is the most simple and affordable option. Decreasing, the level of cover reduces each year. It's designed to be used with prepayment mortgages where the outstanding loan decreases over time. Number three, increasing. The level of cover rises over the term of policy to keep up with inflation. Now we'll talk about the second policy, which is whole of life insurance policies. These pay out no matter when you die, as long as you keep up with your premium payments. They are often used to help towards a funeral or for inheritance tax planning. However, they are typically more expensive than shorter term policies. There is also a possibility that if you live longer than you expected, you could end up paying more in than you'll get out. Whose life are covering you? This is also very important point, that who you are buying the policy for. You can choose a joint policy or a single one. If you're buying it for yourself, you can buy it Single policy, if you are going to buy a joint policy with your partner or with your any spouse or siblings, then it depends on you. You can choose it. If you take out joint life insurance, the money will go to the surviving policy holder, such as your spouse. This is unless you made alternative arrangements. If you take out single life insurance, the money goes into your estate. So you need to decide who it goes to when you die. A joint life policy is usually more affordable than two separate single policies. However, joint life cover only pays out on the death, whereas buying two single policies would make sure that there is a payout on each death. Now we'll talk about, do you need life insurance or not? Life insurance pays out when you die, not when you lose an income due to illness or disability. So make sure that you should understand that it is always only pays out when you die, not in case if you lose any income due to any illness or disability. It's suitable for you if you have dependents, if somebody is depending on you, like your spouse or your children, such as school age children, a partner who relies on your income, or a family living in a house with a mortgage that you pay. A life insurance policy can provide for them if you die. You might also want a policy that covers your funeral expenses. You don't need it if you are single, your partner earns enough for your family to live on, or if you are on a low income and could qualify for state benefits. Check if you already have it through your work. Employee packages often include death in service benefits. That is, that will provide an amount of cover that is linked to your salary. Depending on how much it's worth, you might not need an extra life insurance policy. But remember that if you stop working for that employer, you will no longer be covered under their policy. You might also need to think about whether receiving a payout will affect any means tested benefits your dependent might otherwise qualify for. Now we'll talk about how much is life insurance. The cost varies depending on a number of factors, but life insurance is generally considered to be good value. A policy giving your loved ones a decent amount of financial protection can cost from just a few pence a day. Your monthly payments will depend on things such as your age, your health, your lifestyle, whether you smoke, your family medical history, the length of the policy, your occupation. A high risk job might push your premiums up. The price is also affected by the level of cover you buy. The amount of cover you need will depend on any debts, mortgage, rent, number of dependents, take home pay or income from other sources. So these are the things which include the price of your policy you are buying. How do I buy life insurance? Premium can vary, so it's worth shopping around and comparing different quotes. You can find out different companies which are providing the life insurance, and if you are getting a good and best quote, then you can go for it. You can get life insurance quotes from banks, specialist brokers, comparison sites, direct from insurers, not all sell through comparison sites, credit card companies, independent financial advisors, retailers including major supermarkets, mortgage providers. Most offer life insurance automatically when you take out a mortgage, but you might be able to find a better deal elsewhere. And then the last thing is 5 things to think about when buying life insurance. Guys, you can see my another video in which I have defined all these 5 points, and you can check it from my another video. I am just putting the link in the description, or you can check it in the I button up on the right side. So I hope guys you like this video and you get enough of the information that what is life insurance and why it's important, and all the guidance about the life insurance. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Meet you till the next time. Bye bye.